Turn on your cameras, everyone.
Turn on.
Yes. How was your test?
Sir,
Sir, I have a doubt in test.
Okay. Yes, tell me, Ananya.
Sir, I was only able to attempt 9 of the questions, and then the rest of them, before I could attempt the test, was submitted. I actually don't know what happened, so that's why I got less marks, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Acha, how it got submitted?
I'm not sure, sir. I was still reading the question, the next question, and it got submitted.
Ayo. Okay.
At what time you wrote?
In the morning, like 11.
Okay. Okay, okay, not an issue. So yeah, it might be some technical issue, no problem. So I'll show the questions to you now. Okay, everyone turn on your cameras. Yes,
Sir, you only prepared yourself that question.
sorry. Yes, turn on your cameras, everyone first. Okay, the name whichever I told, guys. The name whichever I told. I thought of having extra class for today. I thought of having extra class for him. So one second. Have you seen the names? I just posted a couple of names in the. So extra class in the sense like I need a reasons from you. What are the things? What are the reason behind getting less marks over there?
Sir, I have already informed you right just now.
Sorry.
Sir, I just informed you about why I got less marks.
Okay, okay. Yeah. What about others? Taruni, have you written your test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what was your score?
Sir, I got 35 out of 60.
Okay, no problem, no problem. It happens. Next time you have to get good marks. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, you will be able to get it, isn't it? You will be able to get it. Yes or no? Yes, you will be. All right, so one second. Let me share the screen. One second. Yes, any doubts from the question paper?
Yes, sir. I'm having question number 4.
Okay, everyone turn on your cameras first. Equal. Answer is equal. We have just, I just told you, right?
Sir, at
Sir,
last
but-
you told
Can
that.
we discuss 15th question?
Sir, but it can also be unequal, right?
Hello?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, it can also be unequal, right?
Yes, as per the properties of triangle, what I told you.
It's equal.
See, properties of, how many of you wrote this question correctly?
Me.
Maybe you.
So Mohit wrote it correct.
Yes. Good. See, the same question I have given. There is nothing like, nothing change at all. Yes. Yes or no? One second.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this, what I told you here, like, one second.
Like this red color, sir. Blue color we cannot see.
Yes. So properties of triangle. In properties of triangle, we have discussed that property. Yes, and Piyush was asking one question, right? Was that? What was that? Actually, that's correct only. You got it?
Okay, sir. Can you explain that once, sir?
Yeah, sure. Where is that? One second. Just look at this here. Guys, is there any other doubt? One by one. Like, we'll go one by one. Piyush, we'll go one by one. From the first question, tell me, guys, I think
Sir, question number 9.
question number 9. See, beta, look at this here. The question number 9, they have given the triangle like this. Okay. So, A, B, C, and 6, 5, 5. 6, 5, 5. And 2.
Sir, angle 52x plus 20.
Shreyan will tell this answer now.
Sir,
Yes, Shreyan will only solve this question. Tell me, Shreyan, how did you solve this?
sir, first I took the sides are 6, 5, 5.
So for
No.
this question, I did not do much.
I did not do sir, this. I did
Since
not.
sides are equal.
One second.
Sir, in this, it is an isosceles
No.
triangle, sir. So
One second.
no need to do hard work. It's
Yeah,
50 degrees.
Wait. See. I'm asking Shreyan. Shreyan only should give the answer. Shreyan, tell me.
Sir.
Turn on the camera first.
I turned on, sir.
You don't know.
I turned on, sir. I'm saying I turned on.
You don't?
I turned on, sir. You told to turn on your camera.
Huh.
Sir.
Yeah, okay. You just tell me how do we need to solve this?
Sir, simply I did that 2x plus 20. Like that.
I'm asking, man, how? Then you got all questions correct, right? How do you do that? How do you do that?
1 minute, sir.
See here, 2x plus 20 plus 50
Plus 50
plus
is equal plus
plus. Tell me.
plus 6 plus 6 this external. This angle is external, sir. We did not got sir.
Okay, let us check y. Okay.
Y, yes, sir. Y
Is equal to what?
is equal to 180 degrees. So I transpose 2x plus 70 plus y is equal to 180. So 170 transpose 180 minus 70 is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 110. X plus y is equal to 110 by 2. No.
This is 2x plus 20. Okay. Tell me how did you, after this, how did you do this? How many have you done this question correctly?
Some Piyush.
So Mohit, sir.
Good. Guys,
Sir,
how
we can directly take, since they are equal sides, the angles will be equal.
Yes.
So the opposite angles are equal.
Yes,
Yes,
isosceles.
sides are equal here. So this is isosceles triangle. Here, look at this. This is
Yeah,
equal.
I got it
So,
correct.
so now 2x plus 20 is equal to what? Now tell me.
50
Equal
plus
to 50 degrees.
50.
50, sir.
Degrees.
All right. 2x plus 50 is equal to what? See here now. This one, this and
So,
this. 1 second, Sujay.
so
So this side and this side both are equal, isn't it? So both are equal means opposite sides will be equal. So what is the opposite angle to this AC? 50 degrees. Now what would be the opposite angle to BC?
So it is angle A.
Angle A. Right now what I'm going to get 2x is equal to what? 30. X is
30.
equal to what?
50.
50
50.
degrees. 50
50.
degrees. Now he's asking for BAC is what? BAC means angle A. So 2x plus
2x plus
20.
20 is
So 2
equal
into 15 degrees plus 20
15 plus 20.
is equal to 30 degrees plus 20 degrees is equal to
50.
50 degrees.
So, but they didn't mention that both the sides are equal. Is it due to congruence?
See here, both are
Properties.
equal or not? You can't
Properties
able
of
to-
triangle.
See here, this 5 and this is both 5. 5 and 5 are not equal, Sujan.
Yes, so they are equal, but that's the side, not the angle, right?
I'm talking same sides. That is, I'm talking about sides only.
Okay.
I'm talking about sides only. See, guys, and I heard that one of you guys are not able to understand my language. I mean, I'm going somewhat fast. That's what I heard. Guys, I request you all, if I am going fast, if I am talking fast, you must ask. It is your duty that you should ask. Without asking me, I cannot help you. If you are asking me, then only I can help you, isn't it? So if you are not asking someone, then how come I know that you are understanding it? You are understanding my language, you are understanding my explanation, you are following the class. How come I understand without explaining, without telling, without informing? So you just come to me and just talk. Sir, I didn't understand this, can you please talk about that? Yes, many of you are understanding, many of you are asking the doubts, many of you are coming up with your points. Yeah, I'm happy for that. But one children, I'm not sure his name actually, I don't know who, I didn't get the name, but yeah. So that particular child is not understanding. There is nothing wrong in that, there's nothing wrong in that. I respect that, but the thing is, you just ask me whatever you have. Please try to ask. Why? Because if without asking, no one can help, isn't it, children? Yes or no? If you are asking, then only it is possible me to understand that, oh, this child didn't understand, so I have to teach him again. Yes, I hope you are clear with my point, what I'm talking about. You, is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now look at this now. 1 second. Yes. Next question. Next question. How many of you solved the 10th one? Tell me. 10th one was
Sir, I
very
have a
difficult.
doubt on
Sir,
this.
I have solved.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sir, I solved
Correct,
it.
sir,
So
but
Mohit has solved.
sir,
Sir,
I
I
Yes.
have doubt. Sir, I wrote wrong.
Array, one by one, man. One by one. One
Second.
member is. Hello.
Sir, I want to.
I also doubt. I also.
One
Once I
second.
got corrected.
1 second. Why you are behaving like in a fish market? Fish market, they will be talking like this only. They'll be barking like this only. If one guy is talking, you shouldn't talk, right? Anyone, you have to compromise. If one is talking, you should keep quiet. If no one is talking, then you can talk. If you are talking at a time, then how come I understand? You tell me.
Then, sir, I raised hand.
Yes, tell me. First question. Any of you? Do you have any doubts in the first question?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Once can you explain?
Tell me, in triangle ABC, if AB is equal to BC, then B is equal to 70 degree, A will be what? Look at this.
Sir, please use dark ink, sir. Don't use light.
Sorry, you want me to use dark ink?
Yes, sir. Means I cannot see properly. Yes, okay.
This is triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ABC given. So AB is equal to BC. Is given that both are equal. Okay. Angle B is equal to 70 degrees given. Okay. Is asking for what is A. Is asking for A. All right. So now tell me here, how come we solve this? How come we solve this?
The sides
Sir, I
are
am
equal, so it
Sides are
will-
equal. So,
yes,
Yes.
so it will be equal.
sides are equal. So what would happen? Tell me.
So it will become
angle
70.
BAC is equal to angle BCA. So,
Angle.
Sir,
Angle?
AC is
ABC.
equal to AB.
Angle A equal angle.
Angle A is equal to
Angle C.
Angle B.
Yes.
hello. Someone was saying that angle, if we have both sides are equal. Here AB and AC are both are equal, isn't it? AB and AC both are equal, given that.
AB and AC equal, no, sir. So C is
Sir, it
equal
should be
to
A.
70. So A is equal to
AB is equal to BC here. What are you going? AB is
Yes,
equal to
sir,
BC.
BC.
Given.
BC.
Okay. Angle B given 70 degrees. Now he's asking for what exactly the angle A. How?
Sir, angle A equal to angle C. Because,
Angle A is equal to angle C. Why?
Yes, sir.
1 hour.
Because the property is this. The two triangles are same.
Ah.
The sides are same, no, sir. Like isosceles triangle, no, sir. So it would be equal.
Angle A is equal to what now?
Angle C.
Angle this and this. Let us see this. Now look at this here. Let us consider X and X. Both are A. Angle A is equal to angle C, right? Opposite.
Yes, sir.
Whenever see here, now if I consider this as X, so X plus 70
Sir, you should take Y.
is equal to what? 180 degrees.
180.
When angle A is equal to C means what is the point of taking X is equal to Y, man? X, if you take X and X,
Okay, sir.
isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
now what I'm going to get now? Tell me.
2x plus 70 is equal to 180.
180.
110.
70 degrees. So 2x is
110.
equal to 110 degrees. X is equal to what?
55.
What is X is equal to?
55.
5. So now if you add, now we get angle A is equal to 55 degrees. Angle B is also going to be B 70 degrees. Angle C is going to be
Angle C is equal to
55 degrees.
55 degrees.
Now if you add this, sum of all these angles will be coming you as 180 degrees.
180. So it is isosceles triangle.
Is it clear with everyone?
sir, on based on which property we say we can say that angle A is equal to angle C.
Look at this here. How many of you gone through that? How many of you gone through the properties, whichever I have given to you?
Tell me, Piyush.
Yes.
So
Okay.
Mohit.
Mohit, very good, Mohit. See here, beta, I just taught you what property we used here. Who asked this question?
Sir, Krishna Chaitanya.
Yes. Now, what property just now I told? Your friend was saying, right? Your friend was saying the same property I used here. I think you are not listening to the class. Krishna Chaitanya, isn't it?
No, sir, I'm listening.
What property? What properties your friend said? Tell me.
Isosceles triangle.
Yes. Ratnam. Ratnam. Who is Ratnam?
Yes, sir.
Ratnam. Tell me, Ratnam, what property we have used?
Sir, here in the isosceles triangle, ABC's angle ABC and AB is equal to BC. So you kept angle A is equal to angle C.
AB is equal to AC. So how come A is equal to C? What is the reason? I need exact reason. No one is listening to the class. Many of you are. Yes, tell me, Aditi. Tell me, Aditi.
So when two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal.
When two sides are equal, opposite angles what? Akshit, tell me, Akshit.
Sir, if we know that AB equals to BC, that means it has to be an isosceles triangle since two sides are equal to each other. So that means, as we know, as we recollect back, that we know that isosceles triangles, two angles are equal to another and one is not.
Yes.
So
So
basically,
we know that X and so A and C is going to be equal, so we both take them as X.
Yeah.
And
how? Yes, Piyush, tell me.
yes, sir. Opposite, sir, if two sides are opposite each other and they're equal, then their opposite angles are also equal to each other.
Yes, that is a correct. See here, Akshit, we have gone through the property called whenever two sides are equal, their opposite angles will be equal, isn't it? So what are the opposite angles we have here? Tell me.
Sir,
Angle A.
Angle A and angle B.
Isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
yes. So two angles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles, of both triangle are congruent. This is a congruent property, and we have learned opposite. Look at this. Whenever we have 1 second, boys. Whenever two sides, look at this here, AB and ABC are equal. So what is the opposite angle here? What is the opposite angle to these two sides? Opposite angle to this side is what? This one. What is the opposite angle to this side is what? This one. So both will be equal. So I took both as equal, means x I could take. If you sum, if you calculate it, you are going to get 55 is your answer. Is it clear? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Kaji?
Yes, sir.
Everything you know that, but implementing in exam is very important. Look at it now. Second question is, everyone knows that. I know, I am sure that everyone might have solved this second one.
Yes, sir.
ASA congruency.
Yes.
Here for two triangles, if two triangles are said, if two triangles and included side of one triangle are equal, two angles and included side of another, what is that? Two angles and one side. What is that?
AS.
Two angles and the side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the side included side of the another triangle. Then what congruency rule is this? Of course, this is not going to be triple S. Of course, it is not going to be SAS. Of course, none of the above is not available. So which option is available here?
Option B.
Option
B.
Turn on your cameras, everyone.
Option B, sir.
Option, everyone turn on it. No one. Yes, option B is going to be correct. Angle AC. So next, a triangle in which two sides are equal. Very simple.
Isosceles triangle. Option C.
Option C.
The angles opposite two equal sides of a triangle.
Equal.
Yes.
Equal.
Look at it. The angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle. Look at this. Just now we have done that. Look at this. Here equal sides of a triangle is what? This is a equal and this is equal. Opposite to this one is this one. Opposite to this one is this one. Both will be equal, isn't it? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Very simple. Next. So if E and F are midpoints of equal sides AB and AC of the triangle ABC, then look at
Sir, in here, AB has midpoint E or AB has midpoint F?
1 second. Look at, let us draw this.
It can be either, I think.
1 second. E and F are the midpoints of equal sides AB. Look at this. AB and AC are equal. AB and AC. So this is A, B, C. This one, both will be equal, isn't it? So E and F are the.
Sir, AB and AC.
Sir, AB and AC.
AB and AC. Yeah. Okay. AB and AC. So this one. AB and AC. E and F are the midpoints of AB. So E is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint of AB. F is the midpoint of AC. That's what. Clear?
Yes, sir.
E is the midpoint of. Let me use somewhat dark color. Can you able to see this?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can
sir.
see the blue color.
Yes. Yeah. All right. Yes. Then what will happen here? Tell me. Options given that BF is equal to AC. BF is equal to AF.
No, sir.
And CE is equal to AB. C is 1 second.
So it will be D. BF equal
Look at the
to
what
C.
option? Option D given. Option
Yes, sir,
D
that's
given. What is
correct.
it? BF is equal to C. Look at this.
DE and CF.
Tell me here. See here AC. These two will be equal, right? This he has given that this and this one will be equal. These are the midpoints. What is the equals? What is the opposite sides to AC here? B. All right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the opposite side to AB?
AC.
AC. So now tell me here which one is going to be correct. Look at this first option. BF is equal to AC.
No,
BF
sir.
is equal to AC. AC is
No,
here.
sir.
BF is not at all possible. So BF is equal to AF. BF is equal to AF. Not at all possible. This is this one. How come it is will be equal? All right. Now CE is equal to AB. CE CE is equal to AB. CE is here, AB is here. Not possible. It will be perpendicular. All right. Look at here. BF is equal to CE. BF,
Yes, sir.
of course, BF.
So we can also do it this way, right? We can put F in the place of E and E in the place of F. It
Of
will
course,
still
of
be
course,
right.
of course, of course, no problem. But you know,
Yep.
if you give something like this, like okay, E and F are midpoints of equal sides AB and AC of a triangle respectively, then you have to take like this. So you can take either of these. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but if you take F as the midpoint of AB, then you can get a BF equal to AF as well as BF equal to CE.
Yes, yes, both options. Then options would be like that. Options would be like that. Now, which option is getting satisfied as per this question? Now, PF is equal to C is only possibility option. You are right, Piyush.
No, sir. I mean, like if we take F as the midpoint of AB, then we
One
get.
second. Look at this. If you take if you take F, this is G. Now, what you are saying? BE is supposed to be equal to CF.
No, sir. I mean,
B equal to
here
B.
BF equal to AF because
One
this is
second.
the midpoint.
No. What I didn't get you. Sorry. Can you please come back? But don't talk. You know, one member is talking. Don't interrupt, please. Yes. Tell me. Yes. Tell me. Come on.
Yes, sir. I mean, F is the midpoint, right, sir?
Yes.
Then if we take F as the midpoint of AB, then AF is equal to BF because the distance is same between the midpoints, right?
See here. Yes, of course. Why? Because these two are equal. These two are equal. These two are equal as well as distance would be same, of course. Now AF is equal to BF, of course. AF is equal to BF.
Yes,
Correct
sir.
only. Both will be equal. That is true. That is true. That is true. No.
But sir, there's more chance of BF being equal to C.
BF.
So there's more chance of BF being equal to C because here F has to be in a particular point to be correct.
See here. Who told that here BF is equal to C here? BF is not entire AB. AB is a side which is equal to AC side. If AB
Yes.
and AC are equal, then angle C and angle B will be equal. Since opposite side, both two sides are equal, their opposite sides will.
Yes, sir.
Opposite
That I
angles will-
understood. That I understood.
Now what you are saying here, AF is not equal to C. Who told that? Of course, no.
Yes.
Yes. Now look at this. That is a yes, Piyush. AF is equal to BF means like midpoint. So midpoint means equal distance. Midpoint means it will be in middle, right? Midpoint. What do you mean by
Yes,
midpoint? Midpoint means in the middle. Where middle means what? This is a middle. Middle means if this side, this will be equal. This side, both will be equal. Clear?
Yes, sir. So, like both the options are correct, right? I just wanted to clarify that.
Yes. Next, guys. Next in ABC.
Say option
Triangle,
D, 60 degrees.
triangle is equilateral triangle. Each angle will be 60 degrees. Are a very direct question here. If AD is an altitude, what do you mean by altitude?
Perpendicular distance from the
Perpendicular distance.
Or suppose you have like this.
Sir, here you should draw like this. The seventh sum.
Okay. AD is the altitude of an isosceles ABC. AB is equal to AC given.
Yes, sir.
AB is equal to AC given. A, B is equal to AC. AB is equal to what? AC. Isn't it? So AD is an altitude. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. So AD, this is A here. AD means the perpendicular, like you can tell. Or height. Altitude means basically height. Clear? So this is the height here, AD. Right now, what he is asking for? Then BD is equal to CD. BD is greater than CD. BD is less than CD. BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. BD is greater than CD. Not possible. BD is greater than CD. How come it is possible? It is a middle point. See, whenever you are drawing a altitude, it comes exactly in the middle. Right? So, of course, BD is equal to CD will be correct here. BD can't be less than CD and BD can't be greater than CD. It's a midpoint. Isn't it? Now, none of the above is not possible. Yes, Rain, tell me better. Rain, tell me, you raised your hand. Tell me.
Oh, sorry. It's before you told who did this.
Any doubts here?
No, sir.
How many of you solved this question correctly? How many of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, me.
Very good, beta. Chalo, in a right angle triangle, the longest side is
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Very simple, very simple. In the figure 9th one already we have solved. 10th one, yes, 10th one.
Doubt, sir.
Tell one, how many of you solved? Mohit, I think Mohit has solved. Mohit, tell me, beta, how
Yes,
did you
sir.
solve this? How did you? Can you please explain?
So we can take DEAB as a quadrilateral, and 120 degrees plus angle A plus angle B, which is 120 plus 90 plus 90, which is equal to 300 degrees. And so angle D is equal to 360 minus 300 degrees, which is equal to 60 degrees.
1 second, 1
Yes,
second.
sir.
Sir, shall I say?
1 second, can you hear me?
No, 1 minute.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Mohit, your voice is a bit breaking. I can't hear properly. Can you please talk loudly?
So what I did was I took DEAB as a quadrilateral and
Yes.
sorry, sir.
Yes, come on.
Okay, sir.
Quadrilateral.
So angle E plus angle A plus angle B, which is equal to 300 degrees. 120 plus 90 plus 90. And so since it's a quadrilateral, it should be 360 degrees, the sum. So 360 minus 300 is equal to angle D, sir, which is 60 degrees.
So he's asking for E.
Yes, sir. So since triangle DEC is a isosceles triangle and
Got it.
yes,
I
sir.
hope.
So opposite angle.
True. See here, then here
Sir?
what? Yes.
Sir, I did it in another way.
Who is that? Taruni. Yes, beta. Tell me, Taruni.
Sir, I took 120 degrees, sir, and I divided it by 2, sir, and I got 60 degrees.
How? Why? Why did you divide it by 2?
Sir, the angles were looking same, so that's why I did it the same.
Angles looking same.
So how is that possible?
Yes,
because only two are equal.
One second. I understand her point actually. What he's trying to say is, Kavya also want to say. Yes, Kavya, tell me. Let us see how you are thinking about a question. Yes, tell me, Kavya. And Kavya, Sujay was about to say. Yes, Sujay, tell me, Kavya.
Nothing, sir. I was just about to tell the same method.
Who was about to say?
Sir, I was about to say the answer.
Yes, tell me.
So the answer?
Not answer. Explanation I need. Mohit has explained.
Sir, even I
The explanation, I can give the explanation, sir.
Yes.
You, sorry?
Sir,
I can't hear you. He has given this is 120 degrees. So what Taruni is saying is, sir, here this is two sides are equal. Then opposite angle. This will be how much, beta? How much this will be? This is 120 means how much this will be?
60 degrees.
60 degrees. Isn't it? 60 degrees, sir.
Yes, sir.
How can you decide it is a 60 degrees?
Linear pair.
Linear pair.
Linear pair.
This is a full linear pair, no? This is a linear pair, no? How come you decide this? How come it is a linear pair? Linear pair means this is a full linear pair, isn't it, beta? Yes or no? You understand? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You cannot take that as a linear pair. Tell me any other reason? Come on.
So can I?
Yes.
Sir, like in the same way, sir, instead of 60, can we put x and another angle also x, sir? So that 2x plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees.
1 second.
Straight.
Yes, these two are equal. The opposite side, this one and this one equal. So opposite side to, so opposite angle to this side is C. Okay, this and this will be equal. You are saying, okay. So now,
no, sir. On the line E, like we have done the last last step now, sir. You have drawn like 60 degrees. So instead of 60 degrees, can we put x and for the linear like 180 degrees?
Yes. Okay, x. Okay.
For another angle, if we add another angle, we'll be getting as a linear pair now, sir, like 180 degrees.
So what do you add? This is a linear pair. No, this is a linear pair. No. Now I should
So
add this angle plus x plus 120 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay.
x plus
How do
120.
you decide this? Okay, x. Okay. How do you say that both are equal? My
Yes,
point. Did you understand? How come you say that this and this is equal? We cannot decide, isn't it? Now
Okay.
what Mohit said is that is right. Look at this here. If you consider this as a quadrilateral, look at this. If you consider this as a quadrilateral, sum of all sides in a sum of all
360
interior
degree.
angles of quadrilateral
360.
360. Now if it is 360 means angle E plus angle A plus angle B plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. So angle E is what here 120 given.
120.
So 90. Angle A is
Plus
90
90, sir.
plus D.
Plus x.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So why don't you consider a line A and line
One
B
second.
parallel?
Let me finish this. Let me finish this. Then we can talk.
So that's what I was.
So how much? 180. So 300, right? Now D value how much I got? 60 degrees.
60 degree.
D I got 60 here. All right. Now tell me. He's
C will
asking
be
for
equal
what?
to 60 degree.
He's asking for what? ECD, right?
So rather than of that quadrilateral thing, we can turn it simply that lines on the angles on the same side of transversal are the supplementary.
Yes, angles
Yes,
and the
sir.
trans. Yes, you can say that. Yes, these two lines are parallel here. This one. Yes, that is also very good data. See here, this one are parallel. So this is a transversal line. So transversal. If you take this a transversal line, angles are interior side. Which one? Which one now? This one.
No, some
Sir, if you
like
take it like
so. What I did is I took the other transversal and found the value of 60.
This one.
And
Okay,
then
this one.
those are
Okay, you took
isosceles
this one.
triangles.
Okay, you took this one. Okay. You took this
Then
one.
I got the angle D as 60.
No, no, no.
Then
no.
respectively C because they're
One sec-
isosceles.
No. 1 second. So you took this one as 1 second, beta. I didn't get your point. See here, if you take this is your transversal, okay? Okay. So which one is going to be equal? Which interior part of that?
Angle D is
Angle-
will be supplementary.
Angle D and interior angle E. Okay. So D is 60 degrees. Yes, that is a very smart approach, isn't it? That is a correct answer. That is how we can do. Very good, Kavya. See here, if I take this is a transversal, this is a given. So if I consider this is a parallel and this is two are parallel, this one he has given the E here, he has given D here. So interior, this is interior, this is also interior. So interior angles are supplementary. So angle E given that angle E plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. So angle E 120 degrees given, D is equal to what? 180 degrees minus.
So we can also do it this way. Angle A is 120 degree. So opposite angles are equal, right?
Which one? Sorry, can you come back again?
So
Yeah.
angle is so angle is 120 degree. So opposite I mean, what do we call opposite interior angles are equal, right?
Opposite?
Interior angles.
Vertically opposite angles are equal, okay?
So this will be 120 and D value we can find.
no,
It will
sir.
be supplementary, right?
How come it is equal, man? How come it is equal?
So isn't interior opposite
Vertically
angles,
opposite angles are equal, not interior. We didn't learn anything about interior angles, isn't it?
Sir, I guess he's saying alternate interior angles.
Alternate? Okay, that is right. Tell me,
Find by
Harini, I
coincidence.
can't hear you at all. Yes, tell me, Harini.
So can you hear me now?
Yes, please, come on, make it fast.
Sir, we can use the type of property co-interior angles also, sir.
Yes.
Sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180.
That is what I'm saying. Sum of interior angles. Look at this here. This one, both sides are this one and this both are interior angles, isn't it? So whenever we are talking about same side of transversal angles, so here this is transversal. This one and this one, same side interior angles are transversal. So that's what I'm telling. Yes, correct only. Yes. Now, Sujay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you are saying vertically opposite angles. What vertical opposite? Which angle and which angle you are talking about?
So E and D. So this side will be 120, right? This then we can.
Yes, that is
then
also
it will be
yes. This is
supplementary.
yes, of course. That is a correct. Very good approach. See here, this one and this one will be equal. So this one will, if it is 120 means it is 60 degrees. That is also very good.
So that's the way I do.
Yes, very good, beta. Right answer. Of course, right answer. Mohit, you are also right. Kavya also right. Sujay also right. But your approach, Mohit, your approach was bit long. Then Mohit, what do you call it? Kavya and Sujay and Mohit's approach. Sorry, what is his name? Kavya's approach is like a very short method. You can just use it in your competitive exam. Clear? Very good.
Okay, sir.
Chalo.
Yeah.
Next, look at the triangle ABC. AB is equal to AC. B is equal to 50. C is what? Again, same. Tell me.
50 degrees.
A, B, C given beta. So AB is equal to AC given. B is equal to given 50 degrees. I think we have solved this question already. Angle C is what?
50.
अरे भाई देखो ये है तो ये दोनों इसके बराबर 50 होगा, इसके बराबर क्या होगा 50 होगा ना, आया समझ? This and this one is equal, which means whenever we have two equal sides, their opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. What is the opposite angle? What is the opposite angle to this side? This one. Now 50. और ये दोनों बराबर होगा, A and this one both will be equal, तो 50 होगा ना, of course. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Next.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have one doubt, not from the question paper.
Wait. Let us. We are in question paper, so we should.
Sir, actually, I have an exam tomorrow. That's why.
Let us finish this then. Just tell me what is your doubt?
So the question is. Hello.
Yes.
So the question is, if we multiply or divide both the sides of linear equation with a non-zero number, then what will happen to the solution of linear equation?
If you multiply?
If we multiply or divide both sides of linear equation with a non-zero number, then what will happen to the solution of linear equation?
अरे यार कुछ नहीं है भाई, देखो सिंपल है. देखो look at 3x plus 2 is the linear equation. All right, is equal to 5 you take. Okay, this is a linear equation, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or you take 0. Okay, so if you multiply and divide, let us say I'm just multiplying the 2 on both sides. Take what I'm going to get. See here, first you do one thing. There is a no change in answer. There is a no change in answer. That is the answer. See here, this is 0. What is x value here? Minus 2 by 3. Aaya samajh? So when I multiply with the 2, let us say multiply with the 2. So if I multiply with the 2 on both sides, what I'm going to get? So 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? Minus 4 by 6. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Again, I'm getting same answer or not again?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let us say this is a multiplication case. This is a division case. Let us say division case. Say 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Any linear equation take. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अरे यार why should we take only 3x plus 2? You can take any linear equation which is in the form of ax plus b. Right? If I'm dividing with the 2 on both sides, look at this. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. I'm dividing with the 2 on both sides. So what I can write here? 3x plus 2 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2 कितना होगा? 0 होगा. ठीक है. So देखो अभी इसको स्प्लिट करेंगे. ऐसे स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं हम लोग. 0. So 2 will get cancelled. So what 3x by 2 is equal to 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 by 2 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 is equal to again 0. X is equal to minus 2 by 3 again. देखो same answer ये आ रहा है कि नहीं? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So what do we understood from this? For a linear equation, if you multiply or divide on both sides with the same number, there is a no change at all in the answer. There is a no change at all in the solution. That is a conclusion. Kavya, I hope understood. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next 12th question. Two sides of a triangle are length 5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. Then the length of the third side of the triangle क्या होगा?
That cannot be 3.4. It can't be less than the difference of 5 minus 1.5.
Now tell me here. So what I'm trying to say here is two sides of a triangle are of length of 5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. Third length of the triangle cannot be what? Cannot be what?
So 3.4.
So 3.4.
How?
So because it can't be less
5
than
minus 1.5 is 3.5.
3.5.
So it should not be less than 3.4.
Yes. So none of the options are giving less than
3.5.
Yes. None of the options. All options are greater than 3.5. So it's supposed to be yes.
So can you explain 13 and 14? Those were the only two questions I got wrong.
हाँ. So if here equal beta. So if PQR, if R is equal to Q, sir, say equal symbol is not there. R is equal to Q, then what will happen?
So it can also be, I know that the answer is QR is bigger than PR. It can also be B, right? PQ is bigger than PR.
1 second. यार इधर कहाँ से मिस्टेक आता है? एक मिनट. 13th one, ना?
Yes, sir.
Triangle. Here R is equal to Q. So ये तो सेम हो गया. तो ये दोनों सेम होगा तो ये दोनों बराबर होगा. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Can we take?
Yes, sir.
Now he's talking about QR is greater than PR.
Yes, sir. I think that's the correct option.
QR is greater than PR. How come? If these two are equal, so here look at this here. Sum of two sides of a triangle is equal to what?
So, but we don't know the length of. I mean, like
No,
P,
I'm asking
right?
generally, what is the property we have learned? Sum of length of any two sides. Sum of length of two sides of a triangle is greater than
the third side,
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, given that QR is greater than PR, first option. PQ is greater than PR. What is option C given? PQ is less than PR. QR less than PR. Now look at this here. QR is greater than PR. QR is greater than PR is saying. And PQ is greater than PR. PQ is greater than PR. Guys, look at this here. Okay, this is okay. So PQ is less than, how can we decide the answer here? Any one of you? PQ, a very good question. PQ is greater than PR.
Yes, sir, because Q is smaller than R, right? I mean, R is.
Here PQ is less than PR. PQ is less than PR. And QR is less than PR. QR is less than PR. This is what given. QR is less than PR. This is what given here. Now, guys, here what is asking for? इस पे कौन सा एंगल कौन सा साइड से बड़ा होगा, like which side would be greater than which side? How many have you wrote this question as B? How many of you wrote this answer correctly? I'm asking. Very good. See here, Piyush, how did you, what was your approach? I gave one property here. What was the approach?
So it's like if the angles, if there's a larger angle, then the opposite side is lesser, and the other side, if it's lesser, then the opposite side is greater.
So here, if an angle is what? This angle is greater?
Yes, sir.
Let us say P is greater here. So what will happen?
So then QR is, sir, we have to compare two things, right? So,
yes, if it is greater, the PR will be, of course, here, common sense. Agar angle P is greater, then what will be the length of PR? Consider like that. You understand? If angle is greater, P is greater, man, what would be happen? What will happen? This will be extending, no? It will be going something like this, right? Isn't it? You understand? See, what I'm saying here is, if P angle, let us say, man, this is a 50 degrees. If you increase 70 degrees, what will happen? Let's say this is a 50. If you increase 70, what will happen? Somewhat, you might get
side will increase, yes, sir.
Isn't it? Side will be what? Increasing. Isn't it? If you take that is a case, how many of you used that common sense? How many of you done by that common sense? How many of you solved by that?
So first I did with that method, but I think but then I gave it as A. Sure, but I think so A can also be correct, right?
Sorry.
So
How?
QR.
See, how come QR? See, QR is greater than PR. How come it is?
Sir, why it cannot be C? PQ is less than PR.
How come less than is not at all possible? Less than not at all possible. If you increase it, like side will be getting increased. Clear? If you increase, it will be always increasing. It will be always greater than. Not at all possible.
Can I basically use that property if the angle is greater than the opposite side is greater than the other angle, like that?
Yes. If angle is
greater, then the opposite, its opposite side is greater than the other angle.
Yes.
Like other angle's opposite side.
If it is greater, this one and this will be greater than what? ABC, if you take here, 1 second.
So like if angle A and angle B are compared, and if angle A is greater, then BC is greater than AC, like that.
If you compare, let us say, if you compare A and B, then BC is greater than
AC, like if angle A is greater than angle B. If,
yes, vice versa.
Yes, sir.
If you compare angle A and B, BC will be 1 second. Let me give a charging connection. Sujay, you understanding here?
Yes, sir, I got it. I chose the wrong option.
It can't be like that. Look at this here. If you choose that, if you angle
Yes,
A,
I understood. It's not physically possible to draw it like that.
of course. Just common से लगाएंगे तो आ जाएगा. ठीक है? If you compare A and B, what will happen? If you compare A and B, what will happen?
So it will be somewhat like a bit different. It won't connect only.
Yeah, it doesn't follow the criteria.
It doesn't follow the criteria. Right answer.
Yes.
Yes, guys. Any doubts here? So option.
Sir, I lost a mark over here. So will I get them back?
Sorry.
Yes, so then I lost a mark over here.
Which option you go? B option is correct here.
Yes, I chose B.
Then option B. If you choose B, then it should have been correct. You got correct only. You got
yes,
marks.
sir.
Marks.
Even then I should get full marks.
You got marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See here, you got marks. So if it be, you got already. So in triangle, your voice is breaking a lot. In triangles ABC, D, E, F, two triangles ABC and D, E, F. AB is equal to FD. Very interesting question. AB is equal to FD, and A is equal to angle D. The two triangles will be congruent by SAS. If and only if what happens? By SAS, here AB is equal to FD, you have to draw it. If ABC, DEF, right? Let me say that how many have you done this question correctly? Triangle ABC is equal to triangle DEF. AB is equal to FD given. AB is equal to FD, yeah. DEF. DEF. Okay. He has given that here. FD is equal to AB. Okay. Okay. Angle A is equal to D here. Angle A is equal to D. Okay, fine. And the two triangles are congruently by SAS. SAS. SAS means side, angle, side. So side, angle is side. So AC is supposed to be equal to what? ED. AC is supposed to be equal to DE or ED. B option is correct. How many of you understood this? Hello?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand or not? Look at this here. Here, this one given. These two are equal. Saying that angle A is equal to angle D given here. So now here, side, angle, side. Which side now? AC side. Corresponding to AC is what here? DE or ED. Isn't it? DE. Option B is correct. Any doubts? Any doubts? He only given that it follows SAS.
No, sir.
So yes. So 15th question, guys. 15th question. Similarly, you have to solve congruent concept. Last question.
So we can directly do it. 80 plus 40
It is
plus
given that ABC.
X.
Yes. ABC, triangle ABC is equal to triangle FDE. AB is equal to 5, and angle B is equal to given that 40. A given that 80. Then which of the following is true?
B, sir.
B, sir.
Sir.
Sorry?
So B.
Angle B is going to be DF is equal to 5. DF is equal to 5. And angle E is equal to be 60. Why? Because straight away we can say that. Straight away you can say that. Why? Because none of the options are giving DF is equal to what here given 5. F is equal to given that 60. Not at all possible. Option E is, yes, 60 is going to be correct. Yes, children, very simple question it was. Looking like a big question, but simple question. Chalo, so let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. So I have next class right now. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
And tomorrow we'll be having quiz in tomorrow's class. I mean next
tomorrow now.
Not tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, we will be having doubt session. Day after tomorrow, that time I'll be after clearing your doubts. We'll have a quiz session. Please. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Be prepared. Triangles we are going to have quiz. Let us see who is going to give up, who is going to give an attempt, and who is going to give a first time.
Yes, sir.
I think Tosnika, you are in car traveling or what?
Yeah, sir. I am.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.